So I'm recording. This is Kitty. Mad little kitty. Hi, kitty. She's a bit nervous. She scratched me. Just to give you a look at that. And then let's say hello to my other cat, the one who's very calm and very nice. That's outside. That's me. And this is my other cat. Say hi, Jasper. Good. It's a boy. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. That is a girl. And this is a boy. You better look at that. Say hi, Jasper. Say hi. Very nice cat. And this is my room. It's a bit messy, but she just deal with the mess. So